Hey friends, it's Miss Watson here. I'm gonna do a midweek video each week, and I'm gonna kind of go over some skills that we need to make sure that we are reviewing with our students each week. And these are also on your at-home learning packets. And so today I'm gonna model for you how to do the number of the day. This is something that we do every day in class, so all of our friends should know how to do it. But I want to make sure that the parents know how to use the correct words. So, sorry, there's a little bit of a glare on this. So, anyways, bear with me. All right, so number, you can do any number 1 through 120. If your child is blowing through that, then I would go ahead and challenge them to do a bigger number. There's nothing wrong with that. Just make sure that they're very strong on the numbers 1 through 120. First, I would also encourage you to do a number in the 100s at least once a week also, so they do not forget how to do those numbers. I'm just going to do the number 86. So right here you just write the numeral 86, and then right here you're going to actually spell out 86. So for the drawings, when we do our drawings, we want to make sure the students understand how many tens and how many ones there are. So we want, or hundreds if there's hundreds. So we want to draw out actually the place, the base 10 blocks that we use, and we want to use the place value. So in this number there are 8 tens, and so I'm going to draw 8 tens. When the kids are drawing this, we encourage them to count by tens, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then 6 ones, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. So that way they are able to use our place value terms that we talk about. Tally marks, if you're doing a number below 40, I would go ahead and have them do the tally marks. If it's above 40, then I would not have them worry with the tally marks. If they're struggling with tally marks, then definitely practice that, okay? So down here, we're again talking about place value. There are 8 tens and 6 ones. Now you'll notice that on this particular sheet, there's not a spot for the 100s. So if you have a number in the 100s, just draw a little extra box out there and put an H for your 100 spot, okay? All right, so on this little window right here, we kind of call it a window or a cross, we put our number in the middle, and the students like to use their 120 chart, and we sent one of those home in the learning packet, and they like to look all around the number to find the relationship that it has to the numbers around it. So 86, one more would be 87. One less would be 85. 10 more would be 96. And 10 less would be 76. This is called a number bond. In a number bond, you write the whole over here, and then you figure out 2 parts that can add to make the whole. The kids love coming up with really challenging ways. Some of the kids might do 85 plus 1. They might do 80 plus 6. They might do 70 plus 16. It's up to them. As long as it adds up to the number 86, then we are perfectly fine with that. I'm going to do 84 and 2. And then I just write out the equation over here. 84 plus 2 equals 86. This part right here talks about odd or even. This number is even. We encourage them to look back at their ones place and to see if their dots have a partner, and if they do not have a partner, then it would be odd. And then expanded form. Expanded form is going back up here to the place value. It's seeing what number is represented in the tens place and the ones place. So we know that there's an 8 in the tens place. The value of the 8 is 80. So that's why we're going to put 80 right here. And then we're going to add together the ones place. And so there are 6 ones. The value of 6 ones is 6. So 80 plus 6. If you have a number, say you have the number 116, the expanded form of that, the value of the 1 in the hundreds place is 100 plus the value of the 1 in the tens place is 10, and then plus the ones place. The value of the 6 in the ones place is 6. And so that's how they would write the expanded form for a number in the hundreds. All right, so I hope that y'all are able to get this done each day. Of course, if you have any questions, please let me know. And I will be back next week to deliver some more instruction. Thank you so much. Have a great day.